have something special for you. Ta-da! Isn't this exciting? They are the lip crayons from Nykaa, and that is what I'm bringing to you in this video. I'm featuring Nykaa's Pout Perfect Lip and Cheek Creamy Matte Crayon Lipstick. Pretty long name. Why am I doing a video of a lipstick which is not a new launch when there are so many other new launches? Is because when I discovered it, I knew this would have to be my go-to for the winter season coming up ahead, besides the fact that I like the formula. If you'd like to know what my thoughts are on this and watch the whole range of 14 shades, keep watching. Hi, I'm Aparna Ganesh and you're welcome to JoyGeeks, a channel where we explore beauty inside out. Today's video, I'm covering one of the beauty videos that I do on my channel. Wellness is the other content I create. Today's video has lip crayons from Nykaa, which is the cream-based Pout Perfect lipstick as they are called. I really love them. If you would like to straight jump into the swatches, I'll put the timestamp right here and also in the description box. Go right ahead. One of the most important things I have loved about Nykaa Cosmetics is that it's paraben-free, it's cruelty-free, they are adding no preservatives. So in a lot of ways, it is very skin-friendly. So I'm very happy that Nykaa is experimenting and coming out with so many products. I haven't tried them all, I'm going to be honest. But whatever I have tried and I love, I will bring them to you. This came in this beautiful Nykaa packaging, which is quite fun actually. It has this splashes of orange and pink and very girly, I thought. All their packaging is in this. This is showing all the cruelty-free and all of that sign. I like. It comes in a black wooden pencil which you can sharpen, but sharpener is something you need to buy separately. I wish they had just given it along with the lipstick. You can't use another sharpener, you've got to use the one specifically made for this size. These are super creamy and buttery and extremely moisturizing on the lips. There is no denying that. So let me read the claims that this has. Meet Nykaa's Pout Perfect Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, a triple action crayon that does it all. The perfectly pigmented crayon gives you the coverage of a matte lipstick. It's not matte. Precision of a liner, yes. Blendability of a blusher. I agree with that. The beauty of these lipsticks is that it can be used as a lipstick, as a lip liner, and a cheek blush, which is fabulous for me because I love cream blushes and this is so creamy. Instead of straight going on my cheek with the pencil, what I'd suggest is just rub a little on the back of your palm and then take a brush and use it, or a sponge, however you like. Or you can straight go with applying this on your fingers. I've taken just a little bit on my palm and I'm going to dab it. You can apply just a little and then build the layer because there are so many shades. Some of them may be a little too dark, but depending on your skin tone, if you have a darker skin tone, the dark colors will look lovely on you. If you're a lighter skin tone, vice versa. I love how it beautifully blends on my skin, especially for women around 40 and plus, like where I am. Cream blushes work like a dream. Also for winters, cream blushes are the way to go. And if you feel that it's too creamy for your face, if it's oily, you can just take your powder brush and just lightly go over it. That will just lock it in place. I don't know why they've called it matte, because it's clearly not. It's a very creamy, it has a beautiful sheen in fact, which is what they should have probably highlighted. The blend of vitamin E and shea butter creates a plush texture that adds youthful plumpness in 1 hot minute. I agree with that. It's extremely hydrating. It is pigmented. Some of the darker shades are probably more pigmented than the lighter ones. And really, it gives you a little pout. It has made my lips a little more voluptuous. Your lips feel like they are being taken care of, which is such a big virtue in a lipstick. There is no tugging or no pulling or no dryness, no need for an extra lip balm. If you have the need to wear a matte lipstick, of course that's a different story. You can't wear this. Or if you want something that you don't need to have to touch up, you can, this is not the lipstick for that day. But for an everyday thing, it's so beautiful. Enriched with vitamin E and shea butter, wonderful. No feathering. I agree. I wore it. I tested it out. It didn't feather at all. One stroke application. Some of the darker shades, yes. Some of the lighter shades, you have to work it out, but it's fine. Super long wearing. That's subjective. For me, it was. Honestly, it did last a really long time on my lips. But my lips generally, most lipsticks last a long time. But I would still say that this is far more lasting than one would expect it to be. So that's a good thing. And glides on effortlessly. Yeah, it's very nice. I quite like it. The price of these lipsticks is $4.99 for 4.9 grams. I think it's a very affordable price. If you want a brand to give you good stuff that you're putting directly on your skin, you shouldn't be complaining about the price, and I think 500 is a good deal. Of course, this transfers and how, but it still lasts on my lip for a long time. The sheen on this lipstick is just right. It's just creamy and perfect for your everyday use, not overtly glossy, and definitely very comfortable on the lips. I have to be honest, I got this one shade free with something else. When I used and tested this out, I loved the formula. So I went and got all 14 shades to swipe and to show and to actually be able to use it, because winter's coming up ahead. I think creamy lipsticks is what we're going to go for. One may ask why I'm doing so many lipstick swatch videos, but the fact is, at least in India, I know, even for me, for a long while, lipstick was equal to makeup, and I understand that feeling. You may not be an eyeshadow fan or a foundation fan or any of that, but lipstick is definitely that one thing that you want to have loads of. You want to have options in the texture and the color and the finishes in the shade range. So that's what I'm bringing to you. I did go out and get all 14 shades with my own money, because clearly I don't receive any PR yet. I hope it makes your life easier that you have all 14 shades shown in one video, because I would love to have it. So that's what I'm doing. Are you ready? Let's go. This is such a lovely shade, something that I really love in nudes, and it's creamy, it's lovely. The colors on the lid is clearly not what you see on the lip. This looked very peachy to me, but it's, like an English pink. I love the nudes. I have to say the shade is not very pigmented. It's called Baby Blood. Not too pigmented, this one. I am not a big fan of the smell that this has. It's very crayon. Maybe if something could have been done to just take that off. No fragrance is fine, but this is quite a strong one. Inspired by this one pink lipstick, I did a whole makeup look. I will link that above and in the description box below. Have a look. It is a whole pink look that I did with, everything else that was used. It is a very pinky look. So far in the swatches, I find that this is the only lipstick which is a little patchy and not that even. I really didn't expect myself to like the reds and oranges, to have a sheen and still like it. This is surprising for me. It looks nice. I would say that the color selection that they have, the variety in shades that they have amongst 14 shades is quite diverse and well kind of curated. I'm certainly not ditching my mattes, but this is a new welcome addition in my collection. If Nykaa is listening, I like the effort you guys are making. I just don't understand why the pencil just says Pout Perfect and then the website has this other long name. It kind of created a confusion for me actually, but I can look beyond that. Well, they have made the packaging in a way that the color is supposed to be matching the lipstick, but it's not exactly so. So if that also could be a little more closer to the lipstick shade, that would be wonderful. All my social media details are here. Do connect with me on Insta. There's so much fun things that we can do there and carry on our conversations on the makeup products and what videos you'd like to make and everything.